Hello everyone, I'm a Chinese teacher Lee, and this video is for the students who are learning Chinese in English. And today I'm going to talk about something to help you improve your Chinese tones. Some students may say that the Chinese tones is too difficult for me to pronounce them well. Actually, it's not true. In my opinion, Mandarin Chinese is a kind of tone language, which means that you can use different tones to distinguish the different meanings of the words. For example, when you say 好 and 好, the first one means good and the second one means like. You see, the two words have the same consonant and vowels, but the tones are different. Tones are different. So the meanings are different. So you may say that English is not a tone language. Actually, it's not true. When you say good or good, the first one sounds like you are asking a question, but the second one sounds like you are responding to somebody positively. This kind of pitch changing is very similar to Chinese tones. So today I'm going to share you several skills to help you improve your Chinese tones. Alright, without further ado, let's get it started. In Chinese, we have four tones and the neutral tone. The first tone is very high and long. When you say in English, thank you, or alright, thank you, or how are you, how are you. The R and thank is the first tone. It's very similar to Chinese, the first tone. When we say 高兴, 高兴, 高 is the first tone, right? 高兴, thank you. How are you? Or 高, the first tone is the highest tone. It doesn't mean that you have to use a very high voice to pronounce it, just relatively higher than other tones. So it's very high and long. The second tone is a rising tone. It sounds like you are asking a question. Like what I said just now, good, when you say good, it sounds like you are asking a question, right? Or huh, or what, this kind of feeling. So when we say 来, huh, what, 来, or 回, what, huh, you see, or do you like me, do you like me, do you like me, me, 回, 来, so it's kind of rising tone. Sounds like asking a question. And the third tone is the opposite of the first tone. The first tone was very high, and the third tone is very low. So like in English, when we say thank you, or well, the first sound is very similar to the third tone. So in Chinese, 好, maybe you have learned that the third tone is the falling rising tone. Yes, it is true, but that only occurs when you say it in isolation. So if we put the words into the sentences, we have to pronounce them using the lowest tone, the lowest pitch. For example, 很好, 很好, or 太好了, 好, right? 好. So the third tone is the lowest tone, but there is an exception. When the two third tones combined together, like 你好 or 很好, the two words 很好, so we should change the first one into second tone. So it sounds like 很好, 很好, 你好, 你好. The fourth tone is a falling tone. When you say, oh yeah, yes, yes, or come on, yes, it's falling, right? On, come on, or yes is very similar to the fourth tone. So it's very strong. Okay? For example, in Chinese, 是的,是, yes, 是, yes, come on, yes, right? So the fourth tone is a falling tone. And the last one, the neutral tone. Neutral tone is very light and short. For example, 谢谢, 爸爸, 妈妈. The first one is very long. You can prolong the first sound and shorten the second sound. 爸爸, 妈妈, 姐姐, 哥哥, 爷爷, 谢谢. The neutral tone is very short and light. Alright, I hope this video will be helpful. If you like my video, please subscribe and give me a thumbs up. Thank you.